Row number 3 to the inside out of Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, be the 20S of Scott Sullivan. Green flag is out. Main event action is underway here at the Vado Speedway Park. And Sullivan battling it out for that third place spot. Dunlop gonna go around here in turn number 1. See if he can keep that going so we can stay green flag racing. Right now the action heating up for second. We have Ortiz, Sullivan, and Hartman battling for second place. Sullivan is gonna hold on to that third place spot as they go into turn number 3. And Sullivan looks to be holding on to that third place spot, but Hartman. Right now the battle for 4th place between Scott Sullivan and the 1K Zach Boyd. But Mel Romero going around there in turn 2. turn one. Our safety crew fast at work there. Michael Hartman getting out of that B52. Red flag conditions here at the Vado Speedway Park. Getting that incident taken care of there. But Michael Hartman making his way out of that SH Automotive Pure Stock under his own power. Give him a hand, race fans. Let him hear it.